At ayun nga guys, ito yung table natin. Grabe, this is so mind-blowing. Ang dami nito. Babo Kabalen, welcome to Cuayan, Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, nandito tayo sa pinakabagong hangout gimikan dito po sa Angeles City. Ito po ang Club Hiraya. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, napakalawak po nito at ma-accommodate niya talagang napakaraming tao. Ayun guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ano ba yung mga sineserve nila dito, ano ba yung pwede nyong gawin, at papaalam ko yan dito sa video na to. Samahan nyo ako, let's go! At ayun nga guys, this is our table. Grabe, nagpapasalamat po ako Club Hiraya for being such a generous host for this video. Kumbaga ako lang nandito. Ang dami pa rin nila mga sinerve sa atin. So ano ba yung mga sinerve nila sa atin? Actually, pakita natin sila isa-isa. Ooh, look at this. So we have different varieties, no? Meron tayong mga baby back ribs, we have seafood, we have pasta. Meron din tayong chicken. Siyempre hindi mawawala dyan yung ating crispy liempo. We have some refreshment. This is fresh fruit. We have some prawns, syempre. So these are big prawns. This is also one of their parang mga pika-pika. That's great actually if you're having, you know, a little bit of mga cocktails, mocktails. They also have some juices as well. Ah, grabe, ang sarap. Okay, and then of course, hindi mawala dyan yung kanilang mga soup, in which, actually, doon ako magsisimula. Wow! Wow! Sobrang saya ko kasi dadaan naman natin mainit yung soup natin. Right after natin silang mga photoshoot, video shoot, syempre papakita natin sa inyo guys how they look like before we eat them. So ang saya ko, mainit pa. Dami nito guys, isa-isa. Ay grabe, ang sarap nata nito ah. One more from this dish, then move on tayo sa susunod. So dito pa lang guys, nakikita ko na para siyang may cheese sa loob. Ito yung kanilang mga baked cheese prawns. Seafood base, so mussels, meron tayong mga prawns din, mga hipon, no? So tingnan natin to. Ayun nga. Ay, grabe. Sobrang malasa. Sobrang recommend ko to. It's a little bit spicy para sa akin, pero sarap pa rin. Ito, tingnan natin to, I think it's a salmon. Napaka-creamy niya. So, lagyan natin ng konting lemon. That was good. This was good. Akala ko kanina and hindi ko papansinin ito. Ngayon pala, I think it's going to be my second best. Parang ganyan. So, isa sa mga star ng dish dito. Grabe, ang sarap nito. So, meron siyang coleslaw, meron din siyang mashed potato. But what's important is our smoked barbecue. So, meron tayong additional sauce dito. Just in case mabitin kayo. Yun! Ay, grabe. Alright, so few more dishes guys. Siyempre, di natin palalamasin ang kanilang crispy pata. Trying their crispy pata for the first time. Siyempre, dip natin dito sa kanilang napakasarap na suka. Ayun guys, if I describe the place, it's the entire place is al fresco dahil nga ang vibe niya parang mga beachfront. So ganun yung mararamdaman nyo dito. Added attraction or parang ambience pa yung mga ilaw na parang mga string lights sila na parang ganito. So the chicken, so tender, plus yung pinaka-sauce niya, it adds that very refreshing taste. Hindi siya sobrang salty or sobrang umami. Actually, it leans towards a little bit sour and sweet. So parang pineapple, ganyan. Cheers! Okay, so lastly to taste yung kanilang seafood dish dito sa gitna. If you notice this plate, so meron po siyang iba-ibang mga seafoods. So we have crabs, mussels, squid, clams, and so much more, and a lot more. Finally, nakuha natin ito, yung alige. At ayun nga guys, so again, we would like to thank Club Hiraya for inviting us. Such a refreshing cocktail, ito po yan. So earlier, this was made so fancy, medyo may paapoy-apoy. Before I eat this, my number one cup is this one. You gotta try this one. Napakasarap ng sauce niya. And at the same time, yung meat natin dito, so tender. Number 2 sa akin is this one. And then lastly, again, this is their pomelo. Just to seal the deal, sabi nga, seal it with a refreshing pomelo. To let you know, it's actually not milk, it's a gata. Ay, grabe. Sobrang busog ko, guys. I had to walk para talagang medyo matagtag yung nakain natin. So from our table, which is doon sa likod na yun, this is how it looks like. More spaces. And in the future, guys, meron tayong mga parang mga cabana, mga A-houses dito. I believe they are parang mga air-conditioned then. Party here, a little bit private, so you can use one of these. For more information, Club Hiraya po is located dito sa may Hanin Town, Angeles City. They are actually Wazeable. They can check out on Google Map. You know, just search Club Hiraya and then makakarating po kayo dito. So ayun guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like the place, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video, and when you share it, make sure to tag your friends. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye.